This is so
Go, my rockets!
look at, oh my god.
I'm like an inept wizard. I don't.
Oh, and if you look all the way down, look all the way down.
like my rockets.
Oh my god. Oh my god, bro.
Dude, these rockets are amazing.
This is heaven.
If I... Very responsive.
Yeah.
I'm gonna aim at Sponson. I'm gonna attack Sponson! Go for it! Attack him!
Go, my minions! Get the Atoan!
Okay, I'm gonna make it 15 times more responsive. So this should be good.
It's gonna be.
Do you need to restart the server for that? Rockets, I'll shoot him down.
Yep. Yeah, take one sponsor. There you go. Okay, let me drop all my items and then. Oh my lord! They got stuck on the wall. They got stuck on the wall.
If you turn around, it'll get unstuck. I'm sure.
I'm sure of it.
I think one just went through the wall.
Huh?
What do you mean they went through the wall? Why did they match it? Why did they match the angle of your camera? Why did you do that?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! These are my target missiles.
Z5, I'm gonna hit you. Z5, I'm gonna hit you.
This is so stupid. How would you even hit so? Oh my god.
They're fucking Tokyo drifting. The fuck,
Dude.
Oh, this is trippy. This is.
Oh my god.
So stupid.
Yeah, this is a new SCP item. They've been hit by themselves, by the way.
Oh, what are you doing here?
I'm loading up.
This is meant
Get him!
One of my guys is joining. Oh, all right, just. Oh,
Hey, Sponson, stand right here.
it's like
Sponson,
watching an aquarium. It's.
hey, Sponson, don't turn around.
Oh my god.
What?
Are they coming or not? Oh my god.
Dude, what is this?
Fire, my pretty! Fire,
Dude, look at all my fucking rockets on the wall.
Fire, my pretties! Get him! Get him now!
Like, imagine if these things were less fast, and they like perfectly followed. Like,
Like a Half-Life
Yeah.
2 rocket.
it would be a cool way to imitate a lot more people, or like a lot of like animals.
Z5, what did you make here?
That is terrifying, Z5. These aren't fireworks anymore.
Yeah. Just long range missiles. Oh my god, are they gaining velocity? Oh my god, they are! Oh shoot!
Oh no. Oh, with time they keep going faster. Die, ye beasts, die.
Here, I'm gonna make it so you can fly.
It's really entertaining, I won't lie.
Holy shit! Oh my god, you're fucking beautiful.
You have to record this. You have to record just.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Uh-oh.
They're breaking out.
Oh, you're losing him. You're losing him.
Can I get him to go down the hallway?
You're losing. No.
Can I get him to go down? Can I get him to go down the hallway? Come on, babies. Come on. You can do it, babies. No. They're
Come
running
on.
out of time.
They got out. Wait, they can break this down if they're close enough. It's really funny how they leave blind spot.
Can I
You
walk
really
a
like
group
these
of
things.
Can I walk fireworks out of the escape tunnel?
You stated that like a Mr. Beast video. Can I get these fireworks out of this escape tunnel? Using nothing but my mind.
Mind control,
Telekineticate. Making a stockpile?
Eat him, my pidgeys. Eat him.
I love how responsive it is. How it instantly turns around with you.
I mean, these are the kind of rockets you could ride, right?
Actually, well, like, let me get on one. Like, sorry, that's too far down. It's forcing me off. No, again, it's the same as last. It's the same as last time. It just slips out under you. It's like birds. Bunch of
C5,
birds.
C5, I need you to like keep this version of firework in the game along with the other version, with the correct version.
Yeah. I will. This thing's like fun as hell.
The funny firework versus the better firework versus the real firework.
The mind goblin.
Hey, what's a mind goblin? Actually, don't answer that.
Mind goblin.